Here's a fun fact that people don't know. There's actually no such thing as gray hair. Your hair is either pigmented or completely colorless. And what your brain reads as gray is actually white hair strands in between the darker ones. But here's the real issue. Gray hair is not just lighter. It behaves differently. And if you continue to treat it like your regular hair, then it will stay dull, dry, and frizzy. I've worked with thousands of people with curly hair. And grey curly hair remains the most misunderstood stages of curly hair. Not because they are hard, but because nobody actually teaches you what changes. So today I'm breaking down how to care for your grey curly hair, what's happening biologically, and what to do about it. It's not about fixing your hair, it's about understanding it so you can enjoy it. As we age, our scalp produces less oil. That oil used to slide down to your hair to nourish it and lubricate it. Now we just have less of it. And curly hair, as it is, it struggles with oil distribution, natural oil distribution, because of the pattern we have. Grey hair isn't weak, it's just super dry. If you have grey curly hair, then pre-wash protection, it's no longer optional. So here's what to do. You apply your conditioner before your shampoo. Yes, you apply it after also, but usually we go in with shampoo first. If you have grey curly hair, go with conditioner first. Focus on mid-lengths to ends. This reduces friction, dryness, and breakage in the shampoo stage. Grey curly hair shows everything. Minerals from your water, UV rays, pollution. They all build up faster on grey hair because there's no pigment protecting them. That's why grey hair turns dull really fast. So here's what to do. Use a chelating or a clarifying shampoo often, especially if you have hard water or if you go swimming a lot. Think of it like deep cleaning your house once in a while. Here's something most people get wrong. On grey hair with no pigment, purple shampoos can actually dry it out and then it feels super stripping. Use purple shampoos but sparingly, only when needed. Me, I like to apply the purple mask or purple toner or purple conditioner instead of a purple shampoo. And then always follow up with a moisture like a deep conditioning hair mask, not protein, like a protein-free hair mask whenever you do your purple shampoos or toning for your grays. You know how whites are whiter when you put them in a blue dyed water? Yeah, the same concept with gray hair. If you want it to look brighter, if you want to soften them, then they need this kind of toning every fortnight for me. You might need more if your hair is exposed to the environment more, if you travel a lot in the sun, then your hair will get grayer and duller faster because of those elements. You might need toning every week. But overall, grey hair doesn't need constant toning. It needs moisture balance. Grey curly hair does better with hydration and gentle hold, not heavy styling. If you're just starting out, you could actually use a curl cream as your base, then use a mousse for styling, and end with a soft to medium hold gel. Me, this hair is styled with just mousse. This is just mousse. I love using mousse on my coarse hair, especially on my grey hair. They keep it soft, light, and it doesn't get wonky the next day. Skip overly drying like texture sprays, the setting sprays, that can dry your grey hair out. Grey hair builds more static electricity. It's like when your dry hands touch your dry curly hair, you get frizz. Why? Because that's static electricity. So it's even more so with your grey hair. Melanin usually conducts that charge, but without it, your grey hair gets frizzy really fast. So here's what to do. You can style on soaking wet hair and then style with the mousse and the gel. But whatever you do, make sure your hair is hydrated with water first. Don't go styling your hair on like dry hair. It's not going to work. Then use mousses or gels, whatever that you're applying to style your hair. Like I finger coiled my hair with mousse because the mousse I used was super nice, like it glides through my fingers. If you don't have a mousse and you decide to use a gel, make sure that gel helps your fingers glide through your hair. If you have any kind of friction, then you're using too much product or too less water. Avoid cotton pillowcases or get bonnets for overnight protection. Really, just switching to silk or satin makes the biggest difference. Chlorine and metals like copper can really bind with your gray hair and make it dull, like green or even yellow. Here's what to do. Before swimming, even if you don't have gray curly hair, just wet your hair with normal bottled water, drinking water, and then apply a conditioner over it or your favorite oil. Create a barrier. This one simple step saves you months of damage. As we age, the blood flow to our scalp reduces. It slows down. That means less oxygen and less nutrients going up to your scalp and into your hair. Regular scalp cleansing is a must. Like, don't go not washing your hair because that is drying your hair out. But actually, water hydrates your hair. So wash your hair regularly, at least every 3 or 4 days. Going too many days between washes can actually dry your hair out even more. Gentle scalp massages, like use your fingertips, apply some pressure and go in circular motions. This is actually proven to increase blood flow and awaken dormant cells. Hair that wasn't growing in certain places, your simple scalp massage every day can actually make hair grow in those areas. And then you'll feel like, oh, my hair is feeling denser now. Me, I do this every night right before I wear my bonnet. It's become a ritual now. So I've like kind of habit stacked it. If you are on your hair growth journey, and by the way, I have a hair growth guide that you can download for free. And I've mentioned some products, or if you're using hair growth products on your own, then don't use them every day. That would be overloading your scalp with product. That can have a counterintuitive effect and cause hair loss. There's product buildup and it's blocking your follicles, and the hair shedding is the only way that your hair is communicating with you. Minimize. Me, I have a sweet spot. I use these products like twice a week only, the night before my wash day. So I don't keep the products in my hair. So mostly my scalp is free of products. I don't even style near my scalp. Healthy gray curls start from your scalp. Estrogen keeps your hair in the hair growth phase longer. So when estrogen drops, hair feels finer. Then cortisol, the stress hormone, the one that gives us the belly pooch, that can speed up your hair to go into the shedding phase. And yes, in rare cases, if you reduce your stress levels, you can actually see your hair is growing back with darker pigment. But can you really stop the gray hair growth? No, it comes with aging. Your hair listens to your life. Me, I started graying really early, and then we went to the doctors to ask like why, what's happening, what can we do about it? And they said that it's really because of the malnutrition and eating disorders that I had growing up. And then they did say that if you get on a healthy diet, your graying can slow down. They never said it will stop. It can slow down. Gray hair absorbs everything now. Minerals, pollution, chlorine, UV rays, but that doesn't mean it's failing. It just means that it needs different care. For decades, we were rewarded for looking youthful, but now, for the first time, we are living in an era where there is no single way to look beautiful or powerful. Every gray pattern is unique, just like you. And if you are in the in-between stage and terrified, my next video is called Regrets of Going Gray. So you don't have to learn the hard way. If you want help building a routine that actually suits your hair with your texture, your density, your porosity, your lifestyle, you can book a one-on-one consultation with me below. The link is in the description. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of these curl education videos. And I'll see you in the next one.